Hello guys, welcome to Arjun Pinpoint. From this video, you can learn how to display time and data with coding explanations. Let's go. Before that, download or copy this code from the given link. Now open your notepad and paste this copied code, then save as it with extension of .bat. Once you double-click this .bat file, you can able to see current date and time. Let's go for coding explanations. Line 3, con space calls equals 35, lines equals 7 for display the area of space. And %time and %date will tell you time and date at the same time. Thank you for watching.